It's a big snowstorm coming. When that happens, all the birds arrive. I just want to show before I start feeding them. They're all in the tree. There's Mrs. Cardinal waiting. I think it's amazing that they know exactly when there's a storm coming. See them all waiting? Like ornaments on a Christmas tree. They'll look like that in the snow. I think the female cardinal is absolutely beautiful. Look at her. Ooh, she's giving us a pretty show. Showcasing her today. There's Blue. They're all here. All the blues are here. And I see the mighty mockingbird. It's probably frozen. I see the snow starting. See it starting? And they all want to drink now. I'm going to have to unfreeze that quick. Let's throw them some food. They're all so patient. That's a white-throat sparrow. They're ground feeders. So they also wait for me to throw seed on the ground. They come right up to my door if I'm not around. Well, if they don't see me. Okay. Sure the juncos will arrive too with the snow and this frigid weather. It's in the 20s. You can tell how puffed up the birds are. They're used to this weather. And finally, the squirrel. Okay, I got all my buddies here. The video gets a little messy. It's because, oh, is it? Let's just get him and the male cardinal. He's hiding. I see him though. But he looks pretty on that green. Against the green. Yay, he's here. There she is. And where'd he go? Oh, he's right by her. There they are. The squirrel's at my feet. Okay. So there's all my ornaments in the tree. Even though that holiday is gone, they're still pretty. And the snow began, perfect timing. This is hilarious. They're all like, they're in go mode. Look. I love storms for this reason. Okay, first I'm going to throw some peanuts without the shell for the cardinals. The Blue Jays love this too. I can't keep up. Listen to their wings. I love it. Okay, let's throw some peanuts. They hear that. Hey! There she is. She's so pretty. Okay. Oh, I love it when Blue does that. Hear the chimes? They're thirsty. And the snow begins. Yes, peace and be wild.